Day 1 journey started at 5:41. We are already at 41 minutes late. As planned, first night stay at Rambha, Odisha. Crossing Ganga. Now touching to NH 16 and this road
National Highway 16 for 2 kilometers.
This road will continue till Andhra Pradesh. Near Kharagpur. Near Kharagpur on NH 16. Adding another toll. Maybe this is on fourth one. Already crossed Kharagpur and Odisha border is about 50 kilometers ahead from now. Fast diversion. And from here diversion will continue almost entire Odisha. So this will slow down your speed. One year ago also it was the same, but still it's the same. Maybe hundreds of diversion in this road. Still we are in West Bengal, but near to Odisha border. Maybe 40 kilometers from here, Odisha border is. 2 days ago, in West Bengal, petrol price was 102 plus some paisas, but in Odisha it's 103. So it's better to refill before entering the Odisha. Till now my speed was about 70 to 80 kilometers, but for this diversion speed come down to 40 kilometers or sometimes even low. Right now it's 23 kilometers only. Now we'll enter in Odisha in few minutes. So before that, going to refill.
And before that, we'll take a break, a small break.
Entering to Odisha border. Now time is 9 a.m. 9 and 1 a.m. Just now, Odisha police stopped me and checked where I am going to, and when they then also ask about RT-PCR report. Many people said RT-PCR may be not required, but right now they ask me. So when I said yes, I have, they allow me to go. Otherwise, I was asking to go to office. So it's better to take your RT-PCR, otherwise you may get some trouble. Now first, right now I can see some board in Odia language. Till now it was in Bengal, but now it's in Odia. Another check. are in Odisha now,
Next left onto National
and they
Highway.
checked RT-PCR test report, but they did not issue any pass for us as we are transit passengers. So many diversion. Average speed just 20 to 30 km per hour. Can't drive fast. My today's target to reach at Rambha. Few minutes ago it was showing just about 5 hours journey from now. But suddenly reported some accident on this road, and after that it's showing 7 hours. So don't know when actually we'll reach there. And as the traffic and diversion, can't drive fast.